Welcome to part 7 of our Bootstrap in Web Form series. In this video, you will learn how to use Bootstrap cards and panels to display content in a stylish and modern layout using ASP.NET Web Forms. A Bootstrap card is a content container with options for headers, footers, images, buttons, and more. It replaces the older panel component and works beautifully on all screen sizes. This is the basic card layout. You use the card class and inside it a card body holds the title, text and button. It is simple but very flexible. Add images using card img top and footers with the card footer. This is ideal for e-commerce, profiles or dashboards where you want a complete attractive content block. You can use ASP.NET Server controls inside the card. Just apply the appropriate Bootstrap classes using CSS class and it will render beautifully. You can even bind data using a repeater and generate cards dynamically. Each product or record is displayed in its own card with the image, text and action button. Use Bootstrap's grid system to arrange multiple cards in a row. This gives a neat layout on desktop and automatically stacks cards on smaller screens. Customize cards using Bootstrap's color, spacing, and text alignment classes. Always test your layout on different screen sizes to ensure responsiveness. If you are migrating from Bootstrap 3, remember that panel is now replaced by card. The structure is similar but with new class names. In this video, you have learned how to use Bootstrap cards with web forms to create modern professional content layouts, static or dynamic. In the next video, we will learn how to add Bootstrap models useful for pop-ups, forms and confirmations. You will see how to trigger them from ASP.NET buttons. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe to support the channel ASP NET and SQL Academy. More powerful ASP.NET Web Forms content is coming your way.